Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and today I'm preparing pastitsio, which is also known as Greek lasagna. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start off with half of a yellow onion diced. And we're just going to saute it until it's starting to go soft. Now we're going to add the garlic. Give it a quick twirl. Now I'm going to add the mince. We're going to cook this mince until it's brown. Now that the mince is brown, we're going to add some tomato sauce. Tomato paste. Red wine. Cinnamon. Cloves. And stir to combine. I'm going to add some salt and a pinch. A few grinds of black pepper. And get that all stirred in. Now we're going to let this simmer uncovered for 30 to 40 minutes. While we wait for the mince to continue simmering and finish up, I have some cooked ziti. I'm going to add 1 egg white and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix these together. Okay, with this step, we're going to prepare a bechamel. I have hot melted butter. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to whisk. Okay, I'm going to gradually add the warm milk. And this is going to thicken. Now that the bechamel has formed, I'm going to add the nutmeg. Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add some kosher salt. A few grinds of black pepper. Get that whisked in. So now that the bechamel has cooled off slightly, I'm going to add 1 egg yolk. On to the next step. As you see, I already have the ziti in the bottom of a prepared pan. I'm going to add the mince. Now we're going to add the bechamel. Now that the bechamel is all nice and smooth, I'm going to add a little bit of feta to the top and some Parmesan. The pastitsio will go in the hot box at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes, and then it's going to rest for 30 minutes. And here's the pasticcio after being in the hot box and resting for 30 minutes. A total of, I don't know, a lot of time. But here it is. On to the final step. And here's the final presentation of pastitsio, also known as Greek lasagna. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.